Hi there. I just want to share a little bit with you about the TobenONE um, USB-C docking station. This is to hook up multiple monitors to your laptop. When you first open the box, you have this quick start guide here. It has all the information about how to set it up. It has a QR code to scan to get drivers for your laptop. And if you flip it over, it has all the ports and connectors that are available on this docking station. So I just want to show you a little bit about what's in the box, um, what's on the docking station itself, and then in another video I will go over hooking it up to your laptop and getting it connected. Okay, so when you open the box, you will find a power cord that plugs into the power bank, and then the power bank will plug right into the back of your docking station. Okay, now this thing is fantastic. You can hook up several monitors with this one little box. Okay, on the front here you have an SD card reader, you have two USB-C ports, you have a headphone jack, and you have three USB ports. Okay, and then on the back there is another USB port, and this micro USB, this one plugs into your computer. So you do need a USB-C to USB-C cable to connect this to your laptop. But then you have one, two, three, four HDMI ports, and then you also have two display ports. So, you can hook up a lot of stuff just using this little docking station. I absolutely love it. I have uh, three extra monitors that I typically use with my laptop. So this will allow me to hook everything up right through this box. And I still have some extra USB-C ports, USB ports, I'm sorry, and the SD card reader, which is just fantastic and looks like a micro USB card slot there. So if you are looking for a way to connect multiple monitors or USB driven peripherals or whatnot to your laptop, this is a fantastic little docking station. And it stands up on its side like this. It has grippers on the bottom so that it's not going to slide around on your desk. It is going to stay in place. So if you're looking for something like this, I definitely recommend the TobenONE.